I have used both the Apple iPhone 16 and the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. They are both high-end smartphones but have different designs and features. Later, I will compare their design, display, performance, cameras, and battery life. I will not go into detail now. If you want to buy one, you can find the latest prices on Amazon. The links are in the description. Both phones are popular for their quality and features. The iPhone 16 is from Apple, and the Pixel 10 Pro XL is from Google. They are the newest models from their brands. I will give a clear comparison so you can decide which one is better for you. Keep watching for detailed comparisons of each part of these phones. My goal is to help you understand what makes each phone special and suitable for different needs. The Apple iPhone 16 has a body that measures 147.6 mm by 71.6 mm by 7.8 mm. It weighs 170 grams. The phone is made of ceramic, glass, and aluminum. It feels smooth and compact in the hand. The Google Pixel 10 Pro XL is larger and thicker. It measures 162.8 mm by 76.6 mm by 8.5 mm. It weighs 232 grams. This phone feels a bit heavier and more solid. The materials used are Gorilla Glass for the front and back, with an aluminum frame. The iPhone 16 is lighter and easier to hold, while the Pixel 10 Pro XL is bigger and feels more substantial. Comfort in hand depends on your preference for size and weight. The Apple iPhone 16 has a 6.10-inch Super Retina by Dr. OLED display. It offers a resolution of around 460 pixels per inch. The display supports HDR10+ and has a refresh rate of 60 Hz. The Google Pixel 10 Pro XL has a larger 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display. It has a resolution of about 3922 by 1344 pixels. The pixel density is around 486 pixels per inch. This screen supports a refresh rate from 1 to 120 Hz and HDR10+. The Pixel 10 Pro XL has a bigger and more flexible display, giving a more immersive viewing experience. The iPhone 16 has a bright and sharp display, but smaller in size. The iPhone 16 runs on iOS 18 and has an Apple A18 processor built on a 3nm process. It is a fast and efficient platform. The Pixel 10 Pro XL uses Android 16 with a Google Tensor G5 chip. It is also built on a 3nm process and offers high performance. Both phones have powerful processors, but are optimized for different operating systems. The iPhone 16 provides smooth performance for apps and games. The Pixel 10 Pro XL is also quick and handles multitasking well. The choice depends on whether you prefer iOS or Android. Both phones are capable of handling daily tasks easily. They are good for gaming, streaming, and multitasking. Performance is excellent in both, but user experience may differ based on your preference for the operating system. The Apple iPhone 16 offers storage options of 128, 256, or 512 GB. It uses NVMe flash memory. The device has 8 GB of RAM. The Google Pixel 10 Pro XL has storage options of 256, 512 GB, or 1 TB of UFS 4.0 flash memory. It also features 16 GB of RAM. The Pixel 10 Pro XL provides larger storage choices and more RAM, which helps with multitasking and storing many apps and files. The iPhone 16 has sufficient storage for most users, but does not support expandable storage. The Pixel 10 Pro XL is better suited for users who need a lot of space and faster memory. Overall, both phones have fast storage options and ample RAM for daily use. The main camera of the iPhone 16 includes 2 sensors. The wide camera has 48 megapixels with sensor-shift optical image stabilization and quad-pixel technology. The ultra-wide camera has 12 megapixels. It can record video in 480p resolution at 30 or 60 frames per second. The Pixel 10 Pro XL has a triple camera setup. It includes a 50 megapixel wide sensor, a 48 megapixel telephoto with 5 times optical zoom and optical image stabilization, and a 48 megapixel ultra-wide sensor. It can record video in 8K resolution at 30 frames per second or in 480p at different frame rates. Both main cameras provide high-quality images and videos. The Pixel has more zoom options, and the iPhone offers excellent image stabilization. The iPhone 16 has a 12 megapixel front camera. It supports HDR and can record video in 480p at 30 or 60 frames per second. The Pixel 10 Pro XL has a 42-megapixel front camera. It also supports 480p video recording at 30 or 60 frames per second. The Pixel camera captures more detailed selfies, which is good for those who like high-resolution images. The iPhone front camera is very capable and offers natural-looking selfies. Both phones produce clear and sharp images. The choice depends on whether you prefer a higher megapixel count or a natural look. Both front cameras are suitable for video calls and selfies. The iPhone 16 has a non-removable Li-ion battery with about 4,300 mAh. It supports wired fast charging of up to 30 watts and wireless charging with MagSafe and Qi 2. The Pixel 10 Pro XL has a larger 5,200 mAh Li-ion battery. It supports 45-watt wired charging and 25-watt wireless charging. The Pixel phone offers longer usage between charges due to its bigger battery. The iPhone 16 is quick to charge with fast wired charging and offers convenient wireless options. Battery life depends on usage, but both phones are designed to last through a typical day. The Pixel's larger battery provides more endurance, while the iPhone charges quickly and easily. Both phones support fast and wireless charging to keep you powered up. Both the Apple iPhone 16 and the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL have strengths. The iPhone 16 is lighter, smaller, and has a bright, sharp display. It is excellent for those who want a compact phone. The Pixel 10 Pro XL offers a larger screen, more zoom options on the camera, and a bigger battery for longer use. It is good for users who prefer bigger screens and longer battery life. Your choice depends on what you need most in a phone. If you want a lighter, easier-to-hold device with good performance, go for the iPhone. If you prefer a bigger display and more camera zoom, the Pixel is a better pick. Both are high-quality phones. You can find the latest prices on Amazon. The links are in the description. Choose the one that best fits your needs and lifestyle.